Imagine having over 2.5 million subscribers on Instagram in just a few months. Sounds unbelievable, right? Like discovering a unicorn in your backyard. But it's happening and the numbers are mind-blowing. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Let's dive into one of the most phenomenal cases. This Instagram page, Ironwill, skyrocketed from 0 to over 2.7 million followers in just a few months of uploading this type of short video.
One of the best mental health tips I've ever read. If you feel like you hate everyone, eat.
Now they're boasting over 2.9 million followers from just 91 posts.
It's absolutely incredible!
Almost as unbelievable as finding parking in a busy city on a Monday morning. The question is, how are they doing it? I took the time to analyze every video on Ironwill and other similar successful pages on Instagram and TikTok. I found that these pages use a remarkably deep AI-generated voice. It's like having Morgan Freeman narrate your grocery list. I'll show you how to use the same later in the video. Make sure to watch to the end as I show you how to create this type of video for free using CAPCUT.
Start each day with unwavering determination. Understand that every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth.
Their content includes inspirational quotes, short stories, and metaphors, all set to background B-roll footage. We can create this using CAPCUT. Here are simple steps to do just that. Step 1. Brainstorming the perfect name. First things first. Let's brainstorm a name for our page. A standout name is crucial. We can use ChatGPT to generate some luxurious, motivational names. Here are a few names it suggested after using this prompt. Give me 5 luxurious names that sound cool and relate to motivation, psychology, and evolution. And suggest the best 2 colors that fit the brand. Motivista Evolve sounds pretty cool and motivational, so we'll go with that.
It's like naming your pet dragon. It's gotta be epic.
Step 2. Creating luxurious branding. Let's create some luxurious branding for our account. Checking Ironwill again, they use a simple black and white logo with sharp edges, representing luxury and sophistication. Let's design a similar logo using Bing AI. Using Bing AI, let's command it to create a minimalistic logo for Motivista Evolve with a black and gold color scheme in HD 4K resolution.
What?
I'm not a huge fan of this, so let's tweak the style for a minimal, sleek, luxury feel. How about a minimal, luxurious logo for Motivista, featuring a stylized phoenix rising above the M? The phoenix should symbolize transformation and growth, designed with elegant lines and a touch of gold to maintain a luxurious feel. Use a serif font for Motivista in gold, and incorporate black and white accents for sophistication. Boom! This is amazing. Click on the logo and check it out. I like this. Let's download it. Go to remove.eg to remove the background. Let's upload our logo. Good, it automatically removes the background. But you'll need to sign up to access the high-resolution file. Let's quickly sign up with our Google account. Click here to download. I will show you what we're going to use this PNG file for at the end of this video. Next step, creating the content. Creating content can seem expensive, but I'm going to show you how to pump out videos faster than ever, without fancy software or years of experience.
It's like making a gourmet meal with just a microwave.
First, let's use ChatGPT to write a motivational quote. Here's a prompt for a 30-40 second video. Once I'm happy with the output, I copy it. Next, generating the voiceover. I'm using ElevenLabs, which I find to be one of the best AI text-to-speech tools. You can also sign up for ElevenLabs using the link provided in the description. Create an account on ElevenLabs. Access the advanced library by subscribing and select a very deep Amar voice. Paste the script and review the quality of the voiceover.
Start each day with unwavering determination.
Download the voiceover. If you want a free method of getting your voiceover without using ElevenLabs directly, check out this video on your screen. I will leave the link in the description box below. Next step, finding stock videos. Let's head to pexels.com for free stock videos. Download as many as you need. It's like picking out free samples at a food court. Take as many as you want. I am using ChatGPT generated text to video as a guide to search for appropriate videos.
Let's speed up the process.
Step 7. Editing the video. Let's go to CapCut for editing. Whether you're using the web or app version, the interface is user-friendly. I'm using the desktop version of CapCut. Click here to create the project. Click here to import all the necessary files. Set the video ratio, 9:16 for Instagram, 16:9 for YouTube. Go to Transform and set the scale to 320% for each B-roll to fit the canvas. Adjust the saturation, brightness, and shadows of the B-roll to make subtitles readable and catchy. Here's a quick demo of editing the B-roll. So if you'd like a detailed tutorial on editing, let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Now let's add captions to our clip. We are going to design custom captions here on CapCut, using the Cormorant infant font to make it sleek to watch, just like Iron Will. On the left-hand side of the CapCut interface, click on Text. Scroll down to Auto Caption and click. Choose English as the spoken language. Clear all current captions by clicking this icon. Click Generate and wait for a moment.
Boom!
Our captions are generated. Now let's customize them. On the right-hand side, click Text, scroll down, and select your font. I am using Cormorant Infant Bold. Let's choose a font size of 14. Then click Animation and choose Type 1. After editing, here's the final outcome.
Start each day with unwavering determination.
Oh, I almost forgot.
Let's customize our video. Click here to import the PNG transparent file of our logo. Hold and drag the logo into the timeline, positioning it at the bottom of the video to avoid distractions. Use the scale tool for proper sizing. Now adjust the white content of the logo to make it blend seamlessly with the video. With some strategy and editing, you can create amazing videos like this.
Start each day with unwavering determination.
It's easier than finding a needle in a haystack and way more fun. You can add background music to make it more engaging. Let's download that from the YouTube library or use Pixabay for free-to-use music. First, import the music into CapCut. Then, hold and drag it into the timeline. Let's reduce the volume to avoid any distractions. And here's the final outcome.
Start each day with unwavering determination. Understand that every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. True success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about bouncing back stronger every time you stumble. Hold tight to your dreams, pursue them with fervor, and never let doubt deter you. Within you lies the strength to craft the life you envision. Maintain a positive outlook, stay laser-focused, and keep advancing. This journey is uniquely yours, and every step you take propels you closer to your dreams. Keep striving, keep believing.
Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments section below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to join our community by subscribing to this channel.
I can't wait to see what you create.
Let's make something incredible together.